पंजाब तो पैरिस लेखक फिल्मकार विजय सिंह ਦਾ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਇੱਕ ਮਸਤ ਨਦੀ ਵਾਂਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਰੁਖ ਖੁਦ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ। ਜਵਾਹਰ ਲਾਲ ਨਹਿਰੂ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਨੂੰ ਫਰਾਂਸ ਦਾ ਰਹਿਣ ਸਹਿਣ ਤੇ ਫ੍ਰੈਂਚ ਲਫ਼ਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੀ ਖਣਕ ਬੇहद ਪਸੰਦ ਸੀ। ਪੈਰਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਪੱਤਰਕਾਰ ਤੇ ਲੇਖਕ ਦੀ 30 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ 'ਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਖਾਸ ਵਾਕਿਆਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਬਲੂ ਸਟਾਰ ਤੇ ਭੋਪਾਲ ਗੈਸ ਟ੍ਰੈਜੇਡੀ ਤੇ ਖੂਬ ਲਿਖਿਆ। ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਵੀ ਲਿਖੀਆਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੈ ਗੰਗਾ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਫਿਲਮ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਰੂਪ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਇਸੇ ਫਿਲਮ ਦੀ ਸਕਰੀਨਿੰਗ ਲਈ ਕੁਝ ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਵਿਜੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ, ਪਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ 2 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਭਾ 'ਚ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ ਜਦ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਨਾਭਾ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਲ ਆਫ ਆਨਰ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ। We revisit that rendezvous between us. Welcome to the show, Vijay ji.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me over.
You are in PPS Nabha right now, your school. You're visiting after how many years?
My God, 43 years I haven't been here. I left school in 68, so it's 42 and a half years.
And you're wondering why did you not return earlier?
Absolutely, because today when they gave this award, I was thinking that what is time? I spent 4 years of my life in this school.
Ji.
And for 42 years, it's pervaded the mind that you were at a school, it becomes a contributory factor. I mean, I just like to touch the trees, feel the walls. And you learn very small things of life. How to get up in the morning, how to be disciplined. Even if it is indiscipline, you need discipline inside that indiscipline to do it well.
Yeah.
Discipline is very important. Like you make films about madness, about a dream sequence. Now in that dream sequence, which is about madness, which is about disorder, you need an order.
Yes.
That how to cut it, how to balance it between reality and dream. Then of course, like many other Indians around me, I was also not a very English speaking guy. I came from a school, I came from a family which sort of was educated, cultured, but looking back, it was just kaam chalao English, So when I came here, I learned a lot. Why am I in Paris? I can probably track it down to my English teacher, an Englishman called John Mallon, who used to teach us. तो वो जी एक दिन आया और बड़े बड़े रिकॉर्ड्स लेके आया। वो LP होंगे सी पुराने ज़माने में, मे बी बिफोर योर एज, तो उसने आके बजाए और उनमें से एक फ्रेंच के ऊपर था।
अच्छा।
तो les enfants, and I love the sound of that word. That nasal sound of les enfants. मेरे को उस word से कुछ मोहब्बत हो गई, और उसके बाद सेंट स्टीवेंस गया, JNU गया, ये वो JNU में I met a French girl, and we were friends for a couple of years. So how this thing went, and then Paris. So these things can be just tracked down.
The seeds of this entire love for Paris probably was sown here, right here in PPS.
Probably. And you raised the question that you walk like a European. वो चाल मैं PPS ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਇਆ ਔਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ sportsman ਸੀਗਾ, cricket खेलता ਸੀ. Cricket was basically my great love.
In fact, you were a commentator also.
Yes, I was a commentator. I commentated against the Pakistan team from Amritsar and then obviously Delhi. And whatever I do today is because I got kicked out of the St. Stephen's team. And I came back, I was very upset. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੈਟ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲਟਕਾਉਂਦੇ ਉਹ ਰੇੜਦੇ ਵਾਪਸ ਕੋਈ 1 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਦੀ ਵਾਕ ਹੈ ਫਰਮ ਦਾ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਟੂ ਦਾ ਕਾਲਜ। ਉੱਥੇ ਆਇਆ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਰੋਮੀਓ ਐਂਡ ਜੂਲੀਅਟ ਪਲੇ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ। ਮੈਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਰੋਮੀਓ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ। ਬਸ ਉਸ ਦਿਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਰੋਮੀਓ ਹੀ ਬਣਾ ਲਿਆ।
You had appeared for NDA and you had also got selected in NDA.
Yeah, I think I was fairly high up.
But you chose to go away to study history in Delhi University, JNU. And then you kind of, went on to be sent on scholarship to Paris. That's how the whole journey. What made you not go towards NDA? And
see, till today, I don't really think about life much. And at that time, I think my father and my brother, he put his foot down. Because I was going, my bags were packed, I was going to NDA. Because in Nabha, that's sort of the sad part of it. We only learn about defense services. As though koi aur duniya de vich naukri nahi hai. History, because I think at that time, again, my brother played a role because they felt that, I'd go to the foreign service. Or
so it wasn't your natural choice. It just came to you. I mean, you just
that's true. Because we didn't know, at that time what would history mean. Itihas ki hunda. इतिहास ये नहीं कि रट्टे मारो कि अशोक ने क्या किया था, उसने क्या किया था. It is human experience.
Yeah.
It is journalism. It's what you read in a newspaper.
Yeah.
Then I started getting interested in the subject. I turned left, what you call a communist, a follower of Marx's ideas, a believer that only a world of beauty can only be a world of social justice. My films, in a indirect sort of a way, say the same, whether it is for the rights of women or of the gay or anyone. कि दुनिया में समानता होनी चाहिए. Then I got an offer to do a PhD in France. So I went off to France. But frankly, to be honest, मैं कोई उते रहन रून नहीं गया सी.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਪੈਰਿਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਦੇ ਚਲੇ
मैं दसदा फिर क्यों रह गया? क्योंकि 28 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਲੜਕਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਨੌਕਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ. ਲਮੌਂਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਖਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਿਆ. ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ. ਤੇ ਫਿਰ 28 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਫਿਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜਲਦੀ. ਤੇ ਉਸ ਚੱਕਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਔਰ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਆਈ ਮਸਟ ਟੈਲ ਯੂ ਦੈਟ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਰਗੇ ਬੰਦੇ, ਮੇਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਇੰਡੀਪੈਂਡੈਂਟ ਥਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਵਾਲਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਿਊਜ਼ਪੇਪਰਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੀ ਸਕਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਟੀਵੀਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੀ ਸਕਦਾ. ਹਲੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੀ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੰਨੀ ਮਾਲਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ. ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਬਰਡਸ, ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਡੀਟਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਡਰਦਾ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ कि यह स्टोरी कर सकते हैं. एंड आई से नो व्हाई, क्या फायदा ऐसे कीनिया की स्टोरी करनी. ऐसे इंडिया में ये हुआ, 1 बिलियन आदमी रहता है, इट्स गेटिंग अफेक्टेड, इट हैज टू बी डन, आई वांट हाफ अ पेज.
That reminds me, you covered Operation Blue Star, you covered Indira Gandhi's assassination, you also covered the Bhopal gas tragedy. What memories do you have of these incidents?
Look, the greatest I have is of this road, because you don't know, only the French newspapers know. I never said it, I never got an opportunity to say it, and I'm glad you've raised it. I am the only journalist in the world who cut across the blacked out Punjab during Operation Blue Star, the night before Shabeg Singh, Major General Shabeg Singh, who was supporting Bhindranwale, died, and with a borrowed wife and a borrowed child in a borrowed car. I was driving all the way through from Delhi, and this is daad to this country's humanity. हर 2 किलोमीटर ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ नाकाबंदी ਸੀ. पुलिस वाले पूछते सी किथे जा रहे हो, ये कर.
What story did you give them?
मैं क्या जी, मेरी बीवी है, मैं ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਔਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਹੈ. ਮੇਰੇ ਅੰਕਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਵਿਜੇ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਵਿੱਚ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੜੀ ਸੀਰੀਅਸ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ. ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ 1 ਨੇ ਜਾਣ ਦਿੱਤਾ, 2 ਨੇ ਜਾਣ ਦਿੱਤਾ, 3 ਨੇ ਜਾਣ ਦਿੱਤਾ, 4 ਨੇ ਜਾਣ ਦਿੱਤਾ. ਐ ਚਲਦਾ ਗਿਆ till I reached ਬਿਆਸ. ਬਿਆਸ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਆਰਮੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਤੇਰਾ ਅੰਕਲ ਭੱਜ ਜਾਣਾ, पर तू चले थे, तेरे गोली लग गई तो फिर मैं नहीं होता जिम्मेवार. तो उत्थे मैं यू टर्न मारिया और जलंधर आके रहा. तो इट वॉज अ वेरी फ्राइटफुल जर्नी. एंड ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ फिर मैं किताब लिखी. किताब वो फिर सिर्फ फ्रेंच विच हैगी है, पर ਉਹਦਾ इंग्लिश विच मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट है.
What is it called in French?
It's called The Wounded Knight. Why The Wounded Knight? It is related to Nabha and Patiala, क्योंकि ਅਸੀਂ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਸੀ, ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ, और उस रात नो वो रात बर्बाद हो गई सी पंजाब दे विच. Think about my journalism, if anything. Actually, one of these days on Star TV, you should see India by Song.
Achha.
Portrait of 60 years of India since independence, punctuated by, interspersed by 8 Bollywood songs. From Aao Bachcho Tumhe Dikhaye, Awara Hoon, Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, Inhi Logon Ne, Dil Ke Armaan Aansuon Se Beh Gaye, चोली के पीछे, क्रेजी किया रे, एंड कजरा रे. So I show, and these songs are mixed with the real history of India. Because एक अरब आदमी गाना गा रहा है, आवारा हूँ. How can you not write about कि जो हर ट्रांजिस्टर से चल रहे हैं, हर रेडियो से चल रहे हैं, हर विविध भारती से चल रहे हैं. I mean that is the life of this country. और नाल उसे पता लग रहा है कि चाइना से नाल और हो गई, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. So I brought the two together.
There's still a lot more stories that we're going to trace, but that's after the break. See you on the other side of this one. Welcome back. Still in conversation with Vijay Singh. Since you just mentioned these Hindi songs, why did you not turn towards Hindi cinema? Why did you not return? And did you not feel like making films for your own, maybe people?
Yeah, I make $1 curry. Did very well in Delhi, but still there are niche audiences that, I agree with you. First of all, nobody asks us to make films in Bombay, right?
You have to sell your films.
You have to sell your soul first before you sell the films. And that we can't do.
You've experienced that? Or are you
No,
saying?
because I know all of them. They're all friends. And many of them like your work, and they can very easily ask you that come and make films for us. Ours is what is called in France an author's cinema.
Yeah.
You know, you've seen Jaya Ganga. You know, you shoot in a certain way, you edit in a certain way. Whereas over here, it's more like a masala film, more commercial. Now, I can't only do a film for you which will work. Because then मैं क्या करना है लाइफ में?
Yes.
मेरे को आपका पैसा नहीं चाहिए, right? मेरे को आपकी ये नहीं चाहिए कि मैं नीचे उतरा और ऑटोग्राफ दूंगा मांग ली. तो कुछ तो मेरी रूह को उसमें खुशी हो ना.
French cinema, especially French cinema, and since you lived in France for 30 years now, the genre is, if I think about it, it's very silent, it's very subtle, and it's very strong. What is potent cinema? Since you have stayed in that part of the world, you know, your aesthetics have come from there. And what do you find missing in Indian cinema?
No, what I like about Indian cinema is a part of that joom jam, gana guna dance. I think it's very rejuvenating, it's joyful. I mean, these are good qualities of that cinema. French cinema, see, first thing which differentiated French cinema from Hollywood was they picked up meaningful stories, subjects, daring subjects, mixing contradictions, you know, of not just liking a pure form. You know, like there is it's the same difference between a model and an actress.
Yeah.
कि model है, बड़ी सुंदर है, बाल बूल ये वो बना के घूम रही है. But you want to see her selling ponds, but you don't want to get close to her, right? Well, at least, I mean, I can speak for myself. Ultimately, it is your soul that shows on your face. For me, a good script is, which is chained together by surprise. A great theatre writer, Arto, once said that murder तो सारों ने देखा है या पढ़ा है उसके बारे में. Stage के ऊपर वो चीज करो which is 10 times worse than murder. A good film is often made of things that you do not see on the screen.
It's almost like, especially French cinema is almost, and your Jai Ganga was also an example of that. Almost like reading a stream of consciousness novel kind of a thing, you know, what is going on.
There you are, wonderful. I'm glad you said it. That is surrealism, you know, that whatever is coming in your mind, but it's very architectured spontaneity.
Yeah.
It's not just purely spontaneous.
Yeah.
But there comes a time when you keep practicing it, कि आपका जो spontaneous thought है, वही बड़ा sense की बात कर रहा है.
Right.
Reason is mixed into it. You know, it's like they say ना कि क्या पियेंगे जी आप नींबू सोडा कि नमकीन लाओ या मीठा लाओ, कहते हैं दोनों लाओ. You know, sweet and salted. So it's got reason in it and it's got dream in it. You know, both in it. That is why surrealism, above reality.
Yeah.
You know, just grazing reality.
What was it about the way of being in Paris that has kept you so hooked all these years now?
French women. Yeah, it's partly true. I reached there and I used to live with one in, you know, in India before. So when I went there, yes, I think they played a great role.
What is so beautiful about them?
Once again, it's a bit like French cinema, that there is a freedom about them, which is very natural.
Yes.
There's a grace about them, which is very natural. अब एक फ्रेंच लड़की को या इटालियन लड़की को आप देखते हैं, राइट? और इंग्लिश को या जर्मन को देखते हैं. वही कपड़े तुसी दे दो दोनों ਨੂੰ. एक उन्होंने डांसर की तरह जो पाई रख दी, उनके ब्लड में है वो. हमारी हिंदुस्तानी लड़कियों के भी है के ब्लड में. You go and ask the Europeans why they like Indian women, because you have a natural femininity about your gestures and all that, you know, which other Europeans don't have.
Don't have it.
And as compared to them, and then the French thought, culture, they say कि तुसी पैसा कमा लिया, तुसी ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, हुन की करना, चलो opera देख के आई. So I think that was one. Two, just France is a country where everyone is artistic, very culturally aware.
Yeah.
मेरी maid एक दिन आई और मैंने कहती है कि तुसी writer हो. My God, you know, over there, writers दी अन्नी इज्जत हुंदी है जिस तरह इत्थे IAS officer दी हुंदी. Krishna says in Mahabharata, Arjuna asks him, what is the greatest defeat on this earth? Krishna says victory. And he says, what is the greatest victory on this earth? He says defeat.
Yeah.
You know?
Really?
न्यू रिचनेस, यू नो, ट्रैक्टर ट्रुक्टर जरूर साढ़े खत्म हो गए. देखो ना जिन्हां दी मैं इंटरव्यू की मिस्टर कत्थू नंगल, ही इज एन MLA फ्रॉम पंजाब. मेरे रियल I interviewed him because I interviewed one rich farmer from Punjab on green revolution. उन्हें क्या देखो जी यूरिया आया, बड़ी प्रोडक्शन बढ़ गई, ये होया हुआ, आज गल पुट्ठी पै गई साडे ते, और ओदे नाल ही कैंसर हो रहा है, ओदे नाल ही यू नो गावां दे मुंह ते वाल आ जांदे, ये वो आ जांदे. तो हर चीज नो, you know what Buddha called the middle path, what Guru Nanak called the middle path. You have to do it, you know, in a certain dose.
Yeah. Okay, let's move to Jai Ganga. A publisher approached you and asked you to write a book, and Jai Ganga happened. You undertook this journey from the source, where Ganga starts, and then you traced it till West Bengal. What was the whole experience like? What did it do to your perspective? What did it do to you spiritually? What did it do to you as an Indian and maybe as a human being?
It changed my perspective of India completely, because I discovered over 2,700 kilometers of journey. There is no navigation on the Ganges. कोई साधु सूधु ये गंगा की जर्नी नहीं करता है. मेरे को तो कोई नहीं मिला. अच्छा. But you know, India is a very word of mouth country. कोई साधु सूधु ऐसे जा रहा हो ना, तो 100 आदमी वहाँ पे रिसीव करने आ जाते. But I discovered the importance of Ramcharitmanas, कि कैसे इंडिया में रोज सुबह सुबह पाठ होते हैं. The prevalence of caste system, you know, which I thought in our own lefty minds that things were going away. Gaane, different dialects, Madhubani. I remembered I picked up someone उसने क्या क्या गाने गाए, वो गानों के बीच में क्या philosophy है. It was a soul-changing experience. I have never had that experience ever in my life before. All that I say in the book is my inner journey. Outer journey तो nightmare था. जहाँ पे बस नहीं है, जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, जहाँ पे 5 रुपए के ऊपर चुरा चल जाता है, उसके बारे में मैं क्या लिखूँ अब, you know, portrait of India. But it was a fascinating journey undertaken at a time of when you're suicidal. Yeah. You know, I was living through a pain of love. I was not going to commit suicide if I'm writing a book. I took this fat advance, and I went from Gomukh, from Gangotri to Gomukh, 1 kilometer short, in the month of February. There was nothing. There was snow till here, but I remember when I first saw a road sign was पत्थर के ऊपर किसी ने लिखा था, एक ऐसे वो मार्क सब लगाते हैं ना हिंदू, रेड सा, उसी ने किसी में लिखा. And I felt so secure कि यहाँ पे कुछ होता भी है, यहाँ कोई इंसान भी है. इंसान आ चुका है पहले. अच्छा, listen now that you've started me off. तो I reached there. तो I asked कि मैं दूर से बोला, this is जय गंगा, लाल बाबा जी नमस्कार, राम राम जी की. तो लाल बाबा कहता है कि मैं लाल बाबा नहीं हूँ जी, लाल बाबा तो यहाँ पे सर्दी में नहीं रहते, वो तो जाके कहीं और रहते हैं, उनको बड़ी ठंड लगती है. तो कहता है मैं उनका नौकर हूँ. तो so that knocker put me up over there. अच्छा. मैं उन्हें क्या कि प्रताप भैया आप ज़्यादा बोलते नहीं हैं, सिर्फ कहने को क्या है, you know? What is there to say, you know, on this earth? It's a great country in that sense, you know.
How easy or how difficult was it to convert it into a film? Since you've written it, so you know the soul of it. So I am sure that would have helped.
Yeah, but they're different stories. वो fresh चीज जब चीज करो, then it's, you know, I would hate to sort of word for word go back to that same dialogue, same thing. There is very little in Jaya Ganga, the book. एक लड़की ने एक festival में कहा था, but when you close the book and when you finish the film, the feeling is the same.
क्यों उठा दिया मुझे? मैं सो रही थी.
देखो बनारस आ गया.
बनारस की नहीं, अपनी दोस्त की फिक्र कीजिए.
देखो कितना खूबसूरत है.
या अल्लाह.
Welcome back. Vijay, I want to know, what is it about the raw craft of filmmaking, that keeps the filmmaker so hooked? And about you, what about you?
Good film is made of many things that you do not see on the screen. The first thing is your script has to be good. 2, you have to be sincere. 3, you have to know how to get the best out of the actors. 4 is you should know that actors are not everything in a film. There are 20 other things. This chair can be as important as an actor, right? How you use it. You've got to have an inner sense of framing and a continuity of framing, which gives you a rhythm of a film, and then you put together at a second or third stage of filmmaking, which is the editing. So it's the same dream which you are carrying when you wrote the script. It changes when you're shooting it, it changes when you're editing it. But the film might change a bit, but the soul remains the same. And that soul addresses itself to your honesty, to your integrity, to your dream, what you set out to make. Now this is where in commercial cinema we lose it, because कोई चीज गड़बड़ हो गई, वो कहते कि इसमें ये करो, वो करो, reshoot करके ले आओ, किसी तरह इसको चलाना है, right? Whereas हमारा चलाना है कि पहले अपनी रूह को खुश करना है या किसी की रूह को खुश करना है.
And as a filmmaker, what do you think? What kind of an actor excites you?
Whose face shows emotion, whose gestures show crystallinity, crystal. राज कपूर कहता था, एक दिन मुझे कहता है, ये नरगिस की बात कर रहा था, कहता है ये नपी तुली चीजें थी, वहीं से आई, वहीं लौट गई. It's like a dancer's mudras. Whereas a non-actor, however beautiful the girl or the man, ye, wo, however big and gymnastics or whatever they call it, like Vikram Chatwal in $1 Curry. He's no actor, right? But I wanted a non-actor. I wanted कि ऐसे कोई गली गुली से पकड़ के सुंदर सा लड़का ले आओ. And he's trying to. So in the film, it is slightly uneven, but then, he's trying to play an uneven kind of a role.
That's great, but I don't even know how to make curry, yaar.
That's that. You've seen my 2 girls. They're both discoveries. Smriti. Smriti was, now it's up to her what she made of her life. But in 1 year, she went up there. Yeah. She was being taken with Shah Rukh for a film. But if she had just managed a career well at that time, she would have done it. She was gorgeous. I still think her performance in Jaya Ganga is one of the finer performances I have seen in an Indian film in the last, 2-3 decades. Smita Patil, that was a beauty, crystallinity of gesture, her unpredictable laughter, the way she would just break into a chuckle, tuck, 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 like that. I did her retrospective in Paris, and suddenly if she's upset, her face shows it, I was interviewing her one day. It was hot, not just emotions, but even heat. Uske muh pe bada pasina aata tha. तो मैंने इसको बोला, what is glamour? तो कहती है, glamour does not sweat. Because her face was all full of all this.
On the global front, are there any actors who really excite you, or you would love to work with them?
Scarlett Johansson, even Angelina Jolie, we'll not speak of Demi Moore and, Juliette Binoche. Over here, just the beauty suffices, कि वो ऐसे चलती है, बड़ी प्यारी लगती है, ये करती है, वो करती है. ये acting थोड़ा होती है. ये तो ऐसे ही हिंदुस्तान की ऑडियंस उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है और चल जाता है. But when you reach that level of cinema, where the other guy is also an educated person, he'll not go to your film then. So we need to basically work hard.
Achha, between writing and filmmaking, what grabs you more feverishly?
I think writing is a very wholesome art. It's better for the soul. But soul is a very strange two-edged sword. Especially a soul like mine, which could be a bit wicked at times. Why I have stuck to cinema is that this is the only art in the world which gives me a chance to talk to my audience right there and then.
Finally, this whole journey of being, being an artist, being a filmmaker, being you yourself and choosing to do what you've chosen to do, what has it given you as a human being? What have you understood of yourself and your life? And where are you heading?
I don't treat myself very seriously. I could leave the earth tomorrow. I write, I film, I do all the dhanda that goes between the two, which is not much of, not very exciting, but try and enjoy it. I try and enjoy the struggle also for it.
Do you see yourself coming back to India and settling down here?
My great problem is that I come so often that I don't feel I've gone away. That is my problem. मैं जब से बच्चा था 1980 बीत गया पहला मैं स्टूडेंट थे कोई काम थे आ जाता कभी टूरिस्ट ले आया ये वो जब काम शुरू किया तो रोज ही यहाँ पे कभी ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार कभी पंजाब मिलिटेंट्स मूवमेंट कभी इंदिरा गांधी रोज ही आना पड़ता था I feel like coming doing some workshops maybe on a permanent sort of a level.
Workshops on
cinema, on literature.
Is your wife, she's an Indian?
She's an Indian. Yeah.
Is she also somewhere from cinema or what is she doing?
She's not, but she's from the Ganga because her name is Mandakini.
Oh.
And I meet her 2 days after the release of my book on the Ganges.
Acha.
Can you believe it? And by accident. And I, on the spot, I said, मैंने शादी करनी है तो
immediately
on the spot.
What is it about her that kind of?
I don't know.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
May you continue to really be as passionate about your journey as you are.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
ਜੈ ਗੰਗਾ ਐਨ ਓਡ ਟੂ ਦ ਰਿਵਰ ਗॉडेस ਔਰ ਇਸੇ ਨਦੀ ਦੇ ਸਹਿਜ ਸਰਲ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਤੋਂ ਵਿਜੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੀ ਮਹਿਕ ਫਰੋਲੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਵੀ ਨੋ ਦ ਫ੍ਰੈਗਰੈਂਸ ਲਿੰਗਰਸ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਅਸ